Alright, so this is what it's looking like for the subs. Obviously they're not built yet, they're gonna get built. For those wondering what we're doing about power and for amplifiers, we got something in mind for that too. It's just subject to change because I don't know exactly what I want to do until the box is in there. But this is the plan so far. Subject to change once again, just in case I change my mind. Yep. Two 8500.1s and a 500.4. So there'll be an 8500.1 on 215s, 85 on the other 215s, and all the mids and highs on this 500.4, which should be real nice. They look a lot different in the shop than they do out there, but we got the baskets. We have the acrylic. Alright, so the plan is to come over here, get the box, put the acrylic window in, see how it all looks, and bring the box home. That way I can start planning out the amp rack. I can't really do that until I have this in the vehicle, so we're going to put the glass in with a couple of fasteners. It's so loud in here. We're going to put the glass in with a couple of fasteners just so we can see it and everything else, get the LEDs working. And while I'm waiting for the motors to get here, we're going to do some more planning. Look at that. We're already in motion. Got a cool little look to it. This side was already done. A little matte black. We got terminal cups to do. We're gonna do those at my shop. What we got here? We're all wired up, ready to go?
We're all wired up. For the most part, this is kind of just a test to make sure the lights are doing what I want them to do and there's no dead spots or anything in them.
All right, let's see.
That's why I add the rest of the wire.
Oh yeah.
Can we peel the paper off?
Oh dude, I would love to peel the paper off. You want to put it in the box first or not?
You asked that question, you know me, you asked me, like, you call this guy, so easy to do.
A little app. Oh, dude, this is way too fucking thick. Let's mock it up. Let's get it in the truck. I gotta see this. Alright, so this is just a mock-up until we actually build the subs. So we're not putting any type of gasket or anything in there yet. That's going to happen when the subs are all built and done. We just want to put this in, put a couple fasteners in, see how it's going to look. That is beautiful. Wow, look at that thing. Turn it all red again, just solid red for a second. Holy shit. How bad is that? Alright, so this is just a mock-up until we actually build the subs. So we're not putting any type of gasket or anything in there yet. That's going to happen when the subs are all built and done. We just want to put this in, put a couple fasteners in, see how it's going to look. See blue real quick. Let me see.
It's not the lightest in the shop. There it is. It just come down here.
Thought I said leave me room for some amps.
Like a glove.
Look at that! Ant dog, gonna have the sick ass box. I've got to put the back. Yep.
I don't think there's much room for amps in there, bud. And you're gonna have to do some work there.
We'll figure something out. I guess.
What you got going on there? Huh?
It's a Harlequin mode right now. It looks kind of sick.
All right. Check out what this shit's looking like right now. Yeah, oh baby.
Oh my god.
That good or what, bud?
Yeah. Ooh. You're definitely gonna be wrong dogging.
Mm-hmm. All right, this build is starting to become fun. Gately audio box in the back. As you can see, looks like we got a decent amount of room. There's some stuff from the last system still hanging here, but we got room underneath the seats to put whatever we need to, and got a little bit of room behind this seat. You can see the top of the box comes right up to the seat level. So it's not a lot, but it's something. Might be able to work with that. Let's see. Hey, Anthony. Hey, can you grab them amps real quick? Bring them over. Yeah, wait till you guys see what we have planned. It's just a plan so far. We don't know if we're actually going to go through with it or if we're going to change up at all. But this is what the plan is. Yeah. Set them right here for now. 8500. Stay tuned while we figure out the amp rack, and probably going to do some second skin also on the roof while we have a chance. It's a long journey. Got to do it right.